recording. Okay. 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 Chalo. The first question is ER model use this symbol to represent weak entity set. Okay. Okay. We have learned the ER model. Okay. Yes. What is ER model? Yes. What is ER model? Yes, student, you have to give the answers. Okay. We are just discussing. Yes. If the answer will wrong, no problems. Okay. Okay. Chalo. What is ER model? What is the full form of ER model? Yes, one answer is the entity relationship model. Yes, Arun, very good. Okay. Yes, in the ER model, which we are going to show, or why we are use the ER model? Why we are use the ER model? What is the use of ER model? Yes. Hmm. Yes. What is the use of ER model? Yeah, what we are show in ER model, entity relationship model. What is entity? What is entity?
Table.
Yes, table. Okay. What? Okay, so entity relationship model. So in this model, what we are doing, we are showing the relationship between the two tables, or two or more tables, not only two tables, two or more tables. Okay, so in ER model, we are show the yes relationship between the tables. Okay, working with tables or relations. Okay, there are four types of relation between the two tables. Okay, one-to-one relationship, one-to-many, many-to-one, and many-to-many relationships between the tables. This type of relationship we can show between the tables. Okay, now we have already learned in detail about the ER model. Okay, we have already seen that the symbols of ER model. Okay, there are different types of attributes also. Okay, so what is the question? The ER model use this symbol to represent weak entity set. Okay, weak entity set. To which symbol we are used for represent the weak entity set? Yes, कौन सा symbols हम लोग use करते हैं to represent the weak entity set? Yes, we have done with some examples also. Okay, diamond is used for the relationship. Okay, conditions or relationships you can say. So none of this is not option. There are two options are there: dotted rectangle and doubly outlined rectangle. So which is the correct answer? Which is the correct answer? Yes, yes, students. Okay,
Dou-
okay, okay. Doubly
Doubly
outlined
outline rectangle.
rectangle. Yes, very good. Okay, yes. The set concept is used in. Okay, so we have not saying that the set concept is used in network model. Okay, you should remember this. Okay, relational algebra is it is a procedure query language. Okay, relational algebra is a procedure query language. Okay, which are the operations are there in the relational algebra? Hmm? Which are the operations or operation of the relational algebra? Hmm? Yes, कौन से ऑपरेशंस पढ़े हम लोग ने रिलेशनल अलजेब्रा में? Union, phi, projection. Yes, very good. Okay, and and select. Okay, select. Okay, select, projection, Cartesian product, union, and set difference. Very good. Arun, Sarfaraz. Yes, good. Okay, so these are the operations of relational algebra. Okay, and a relational algebra is a procedure query language. Okay, relational algebra is a procedure query language. Okay, you should remember. Okay, key to represent the relationship between the tables is called. Okay, what is key? Key are used to uniquely identify the records. Okay, as we know, key are used to uniquely identify the records in the tables. There are different types of keys: primary key, secondary key, foreign key, candidates key. Okay, and super keys. All are the types of keys. Okay, now which key is used to represent the relationship between the tables? Yes, which key is used? Primary key, secondary key, foreign key, or none of this? Hmm? foreign key. Yes, very good. Okay, foreign key are used to connect the two tables, or you can say it is used to represent the relationship between the tables. Okay. Yeah, primary key. What is the primary key? And what are the characteristics of primary key? What is primary key and what are the characteristics of primary key, students? Yes, unique. Primary key is unique and it not null. Yes, very good, Arun. Okay, there is only one primary key per table. Okay, we can create only one primary key per table. ठीक है, हम लोग एक टेबल में एक ही प्राइमरी की क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. प्राइमरी की does not allow the null values. Okay, does not allow the null values. So null values allows नहीं करता. Okay, every key is used to identify the records uniquely. Okay, but there are some difference between the keys. Okay, okay, very good. The dash produce the relations that has attributes of R1 and R2. That produce the relations that has attributes of R1 and R2. Yes. Read the question again. Dash produce the relation that has attributes of R1 and R2. What is R1, R2? R1 is one relation, R2 is the second relation. R1 is one table and R2 is the second table. Two tables are there. Okay, two tables are there. Yes, please, other students also give the answer. Okay, only Arun, Sarfraz, one or two students are giving the answers. What about others? Yes, Cartesian product. Okay, Cartesian product produce the relation that has attributes of R1 and R2. Okay, in the difference, we will get the common from R1 and R2. Sorry, in difference, if we are going to write R1 minus R2, so we will get the attributes only R1, not from the R2. Intersection में commons. Okay, common attributes or common data you can say. Okay, and product तो कोई operation है ही नहीं in the DBMS MySQL. So Cartesian product is the correct answer. Okay, Cartesian product. Yes, Irshad, Ajay. Yes, correct. Okay. Okay, file organization is not in our syllabus. Okay. Yes, DBMS database management system helps achieve data independence, centralized control of data, neither A nor B or both A and B. Yes. Yes, students. Database management system helps achieve data independence. Yes, what is data independence? Yes, Sarfraz, data independence, and Arun A and B. Yes, other students. Yes.
Ma'am, D option.
D option. Okay. Yes, Irshad, data independent. Okay, the correct answer is D. Okay, data independence and centralized control of data also. Okay, centralized control of data also. Okay, using DBMS. Okay, data independency we can achieve, and we can also make our database centralized. Okay, and we can control that data. Transaction we have learned, na? What is a transaction? Okay, so transaction multiple, there are concurrency transactions. What is a concurrency transaction? Multiple user can access the same database at the same time. Okay, multiple users can access the same data at the same time. Means in that case, our database is centralized data. Okay, centralized database. That's why every user can access the same data. Okay, so using DBMS, data independency also we can achieve, and centralized control of data is also possible. Okay, yes. Which of the following are the properties of entities?
Attribute.
Yes, attributes. Okay, this is easy. No, इसमें कुछ है नहीं explain करने जैसा. Yes, in a relation, ordering of rows is immaterial. No two rows are identical. A and B both are true. None of this. Yes. In a relation मतलब table. Okay, relation मतलब क्या? Table. In a relation. Yes, read the question, students, and give the answer. Yes, Sarfraz told A, Arun says C. Okay, Yes, I want more answers. Hmm?
A.
A. Okay. Jyoti says A. Okay. Yes. Kohinoor. Ajay A. Okay. Yes. Kohinoor. Other students. Irshad. Hmm? Miran. Miran is also there, na? Rinki. Hmm? Vimla. A. Okay. A. A and B both. Okay. No two rows are identical. No two rows are identical. It is also correct answer. Okay. Yeah. So ordering of rows is immaterial. Okay. Any
मैम immaterial का मतलब?
immaterial means it is मतलब important नहीं का order is that. Okay. Order should be followed. ऐसे नहीं. We can sort our data. Okay. We can sort our data in the database. Okay. There is a query order by descending. Okay. And ascending order. You can arrange your data in the table using the queries. Okay. So order is not important. You can change the order in DBMS. Okay. Yes, it is correct. Okay. And no two rows are identical. Same. Okay. No two rows cannot be same if we apply the constraint. Okay. If we are applying the primary key, so two rows cannot be same. Okay. Why? Because what is the use of primary key? The primary key are used to uniquely identify the records. So no two rows are identical. So both are the true. Okay. Correct is A and B. Clear? Okay. Yes. Okay. Which is the correct. A SQL query automatically eliminates duplicates. The second is SQL permits attributes name to be repeated in the same relations. SQL query will not work if there are no indexes on the relations. Okay. Index is not in our syllabus. Okay. Index is not in our syllabus. Okay. Index इसमें से syllabus में है नहीं हमको. ठीक है. So these two you can try. Yes, I will ask only that question that covered in our syllabus. Okay. So indexes are not there in our syllabus. So ignore it. So tell me from these two statements. A SQL query automatically eliminates duplicate. Yes or no? It is correct or wrong? Wrong. Okay. At automatically elements नहीं करता है duplicates. Okay. We have to write the queries. Okay. If you want to if you want to return the or retrieve the unique data, तो आप क्या लिखोगे? क्या लिखोगे आप लोग? If you want to display the unique data, okay, हमको unique duplicates remove करना है. Okay, हमको we want to remove the duplicates, then which query we will write? Which query we will write? If you want to eliminate the duplicates from the tables, then which query is there? Distinct. Yes, very good, Sarfaraz. Okay, distinct keyword is there. Using distinct keyword, we can retrieve the unique values. Okay. Okay. The second is SQL permit attributes name to be repeated in the same relation. Okay. SQL permits attributes names to be repeated in the same relation. Yes or no? Can you repeat the column names? Can you repeat the columns name in the table? Same table. Relation means table. Okay. Now you know what is relation. Relation means table. Yes. Can you give the same name to multiple columns? Or attributes you can say yes or no. ट्राई किया है कभी सेम कॉलम्स ऐड करने के लिए सेम नेम्स? यस. हाँ यस मतलब अरुण, कैन यू पुट द सेम नेम फॉर मल्टीपल कॉलम्स? कर सकते हैं. ओके. लेट्स चेक. ठीक है, हम लोग चेक करेंगे. ओके इसमें इंस्टॉल नहीं, एक्चुअली आई एम इन कॉलेज. ओके तो इसमें इंस्टॉल नहीं किया है माई एसक्यूएल. टुमारो आई विल शो यू, ओके, कल हम लोग करके देखते हैं, ठीक है, देन आपको याद रहेगा। ये सेम मल्टीपल कॉलम्स, ओके। तो जो स्टूडेंट्स ने प्रैक्टिकल्स नहीं किया, दे हैव टू डू प्रैक्टिकल्स, ओके। ये सारी चीजें कब समझ में आएगा, व्हेन यू विल डू प्रैक्टिकल एट होम, ओके। ट्राई करोगे तभी, ओके। ट्राई करके देखना है, टुमारो वी विल ट्राई, ओके। हम लोग करेंगे ये वी कैन अप्लाई whether yes or no, okay, clear? चलो, wait. Yes, the information about the data in a data set is called hmm, the information about
Metadata.
metadata. Yes, very good. Okay, it is a metadata. Okay, the DBMS acts as interface between what two components of enterprise class database system. Okay, चलो, enterprise हमको concept नहीं है syllabus में. Okay, leave it. A relation database consists of the collection of, okay, tell me this one. Relational database. Yes, metadata, Ajay, correct. Yes, relational database consists of the collection of
Tables.
relational database consists of collection of relational database में क्या होता है, tables, okay, tables. Yes, relation मतलब क्या, tables, okay. So correct answer is tables, okay. That is the smallest unit of allocation in Oracle database. Yes, Rinki, table is correct answer. Yes, the dash is the smallest unit of allocation in Oracle database. Yes, tell me, ये Oracle just we have completed ना, Oracle हमने किया. Dash is the smallest unit of allocation in Oracle database. Database block, space allocation, workspace. Okay, workspace. Okay, not an instant, no. Okay, workplace. तो you have to remember कि हमने word जो पढ़ा था that is workspace, हम लोगों ने cursor में पढ़ा था, ठीक है. तो workspace को you can also say database block. So you have to remember, please note down it. Okay, yes, database block. Okay, workspace जो हम लोग create करते हैं, Oracle database is creating the workspace for displaying the output. Okay, तो वो workspace को the another word is that database block. Okay, जो हमने theory पढ़ा and जो practical answer है that is some उसको अलग word है. तो you have to remember, please note down it कि workspace is also called as database block. Okay, उसको database block भी हम लोग कहते हैं, ठीक है. Data block is a form of database space allocation. Okay, आप explanation दिया है, तो please note down करके रखो. Okay, yes. बेटा एक मिनट. Okay, चलो. Yes, this one is complete. Okay, it is also complete. Okay, database that which is the logical design of the database, and database that which is the snapshot of the database in database at a given instant in a time. Yes. Tell me. Yes, give the answer of this. Yes. Yes, read the question again. Database that dash which is the logical design of database. Okay, logical design of the database. क्या बोलते हो उसको हम लोग? Yes. Relation.
Schema instance.
Yes, who is giving the answer? Jyoti. Okay. Ikshat says relation and schema. Okay, again read. Database that which is the logical design of database. Logical design of database. It's called, yes, logical design of database called, yes, yes, surprise D. Okay, logical design of database called schema. Okay, schema मतलब क्या? Overall design of the database. What is a schema? Schema means overall design of database. Okay, logical schema and physical schema. We have already learned in the unit 1. Okay, there are two types of schema: logical schema and physical schema. And what is schema? Schema is the overall structure, you can say, or overall design of the database. Clear? Okay. And when we are doing some changes in the database at a particular given time, it is called the instant. Okay. Yes or no? What is instant? What is the meaning of instant? Instant matlab kya, we are doing some changes in a database at a given time, or you can say at a particular time. जो भी changes we are doing in the database, it is called instant. Okay. So schema and instant. What is the answer? Schema and instant. Okay. Yes. जो भी modifications we are doing और जो भी changes हम लोग करते हैं particular time, it is called the instant. And schema मतलब overall design. The design is two types: logical design you can say, or physical design. Why? Because there are two types of schema: logical schema and physical schema. Okay. So you have to read the question properly. Okay, properly इसको पढ़ना है. Relation तो आएगा ही नहीं. What is relation? मतलब क्या? Table. What is relation?
मैम ऑप्शन डी आंसर है ना?
Yes, correct answer is D. Schema and instant. Okay, database schema, which is a logical design of database. Yes, and database instant, which is a snapshot of the data in the database at a given instant in a time. So correct answer is schema and instance. Clear? Anyone has any doubt? कोई doubt है किसी को?
No,
तो
ma'am.
नहीं समझ? Okay. Okay. So please read the question properly. Okay. Confuse नहीं होना है. Okay, चलो it is easy. बताओ मुझे which one of the following provide the ability to query information from the database and to insert tuples into, delete tuple from, and modify the tuple in the database. Yes, what is the meaning of tuple? What is the meaning of tuple? What is the meaning of tuple? Records. Yes, very good. Records. Okay, tuples मतलब records. Okay, so which of the following provides the ability to query information from the database, or you can insert, or you can delete, or you can say modify the tuples in database? Okay. Yes. Yes. DML, data manipulation language. Okay, data manipulation language. And which are the command? Which command comes under the DDL, data definition language? Yes. DML is the correct data manipulation languages. Okay. So which are the DDL commands? Which are the DDL commands? Data definition language commands. Which commands comes under this category? Data definition language. Data definition language. Which commands are there? Yes, बताओ. Yes, students. Insert, no. Rinky, insert command, delete commands. Okay, all are the DML, data manipulation languages. Okay, all are the data manipulation languages. I am asking for DDL, data definition language. Which commands comes under this category, data definition language? डेटाबेस डेफिनेशन लैंग्वेज के अंदर कौन से कमांड्स है? यस, अरुण, कोहिनूर, इशार, अबिबा, रिंकी, हाँ, यस, अनिल, अभिषेक, नितिन, विमला. May I audible? May I audible?
To create and manipulate.
But which, yes, to create, but which commands, कौन से commands है? डिटेल के कौन से commands हम लोग यूज करते हैं? Create and modify the structure of database object. Irshad, yes, good. Sarfaraz, create, alter, and drop. Yes, very good. Okay, so data definition commands. Okay, commands which are used for accessing the structure of the tables. Okay, create. Using create, we can create database and we can create the tables. Okay, drop. Yes, SQL. What is SQL, Ishal? I am asking DDL commands, data definition language commands. Okay, जो table के साथ हम लोग table के structure के साथ, if you are working with the table structure, okay, if you are working with the table structure, so that commands called the data definition language. To create, using the create, we can create the table. Alter, using the alter, we can modify the table, not table data. ओके टेबल के डेटा के साथ हम लोग काम नहीं कर रहे, तो टेबल के साथ हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, टेबल को मॉडिफाई करना। ओके टेबल में जो कॉलम्स, इफ यू वांट टू ऐड न्यू कॉलम्स इन एक्जिस्टिंग टेबल, द अल्टर इज दैट, okay, we can change the structure, we can working with this structure, that type of command comes under the data definition language. Okay, yes, confused नहीं होना है इसमें। okay, drop command, yes, drop command से we can drop our table। okay, तो table and table के structure के साथ जो भी commands we are performing, that command comes under the data definition language। yeah, and data manipulation language, okay, if you are updating the data, if you are modifying, or if you are deleting, or if you are inserting the data, that's called the data manipulation language command। so insert command, select command, update command and delete command all are the data manipulation language। okay, लोग insert करें तो data insert हो रहा है, हम delete करें तो data deleting, कुछ update करें तो data update करें। ओके तो जो डेटा फिट के साथ काम करे, दैट्स कॉल्ड द डेटा मैनिपुलेशन लैंग्वेज। ओके एंड जो टेबल के स्ट्रक्चर के साथ काम करे जो कमांड्स, उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, डेटा डेफिनेशन लैंग्वेज। क्रिएट, so we can create the table, but using create command we cannot insert the data। okay, we can only create the table। okay, table create करके tables में we can add the columns हम लोग add कर सकते हैं। okay, if you want to change columns, okay, column को change करना तो we have the alter command, so that is a structure of the table। okay, that is the structure of the commands। okay, so please DML and DDL, I told you students don't get confused between these two, DML and DDL। okay, please remember। okay, yes, which next is which one of the following is a set of one or more attributes taken collectively to uniquely identify the records। हाँ ये बताओ चलो, which one of following is a set of one or more attributes taken collectively to uniquely identify the records। yes, Irshad, super key, yes, super key, then C, yes, C, Ajay also says C। हाँ और कोई ट्राई करेगा, super key,
super
yes,
key,
super key। okay, the correct answer is super key is a set of one or more attributes taken collectively to uniquely identify the record, that is a super key। okay, yes, to remove the relation from a SQL database we use dash command। easy है, to remove the relation from SQL database, read उसको read करो, to remove the relation from SQL database, क्या remove करना है, relation from the SQL database, what is relation, table remove करना है, तो क्या है हमारे पास, drop table। yes इरशाद, very good। okay, तो इसको जल्दी जल्दी में पढ़ के आंसर नहीं देना है, डिलीट नहीं लिखना है, मोस्ट ऑफ आप डिलीट लिखते हैं। ओके ओके, डिलीट नहीं आएगा, क्या आएगा, ड्रॉप टेबल। व्हाई, बिकॉज रिमूव द रिलेशन फ्रॉम द एसक्यूएल डेटाबेस। ठीक है, जो टेबल्स को, टेबल मतलब रिलेशन, ओके, एनी रिलेशन मतलब टेबल, रिलेशन रिमूव करना है तो ड्रॉप टेबल। ओके, डिलीट एंड ड्रॉप में आप कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे, तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ड्रॉप, ये याद रखना है। yes, the database design prevents some data from being represented due to dash। yes, बताओ उसको हम लोग डिलीट एनोमलीज, इंसर्ट एनोमलीज, अपडेट एनोमलीज और नन ऑफ द मेंशन। व्हाट इज एनोमलीज, मतलब प्रॉब्लम्स जो हमको नहीं करने दे रहा है, इंसर्ट नहीं करने दे रहा है, दैट इज कॉल्ड इंसर्ट एनोमलीज। डिलीट नहीं करने दे रहा है, दैट इज अ डिलीट एनोमलीज, एंड अपडेट नहीं करने दे रहा है, अपडेट एनोमलीज। so what is the question, the database design prevents some data from being represented। okay, yes, okay, insert anomalies, correct, insert anomalies। okay, yes, yes, database security helps organization to protect data from, database security helps organization to protect data from external users। okay, external users are the people who do not involve the processing of database। okay, yes, in the client server model the database, ठीक है चलो, yes Vimla, what happened, Vimla, any doubt, you have raised behind। Yes, Vimla, any doubt? No doubt. Okay. Chalo. Okay. The database design resides on the server side. Yes. Answer दिया. Okay. कोई बात नहीं. चलो. The database design that consists of multiple tables that are linked together through matching data stored in each table is called.
मैम 12 का आंसर क्या है?
Yes. Resides on the server side. Okay. Client server model. Client server तो data कहाँ पे होगा आपका? Obviously server में ही होगा. Client can request. Okay. Client can request. Okay. Client क्या करेगा? Client can request and server will respond that request. Okay. So database will reside on the server side. Why? Because it is a client server model. Okay. Obviously client side server model है. So server can handle all these things. Client can only do the request. Okay, and get the request. Clear? Yes. ठीक है? चलो. Yes, the database design that consists of multiple tables are linked together through matching data stored in each table is called relation database. ओके यस मल्टीपल टेबल्स उसको हम लोग लिंक कर सकते हैं. तो डेटाबेस में अगर हम लोग डेटा मल्टीपल टेबल्स में रिप्रेजेंट करें तो ऑब्वियसली इट इज क्या है? रिलेशनल डेटाबेस. वो क्या है? रिलेशनल डेटाबेस. ओके यस यस क्वेरी इज दैट. तो क्वेरी का ये हम लोग बाद में सॉल्व करेंगे. ठीक है? ओके. which of the join operations do not preserve non match tuples? हाँ ये बताओ मुझे. चलो join वाला. which of the join operators do not preserve non match tuples मतलब records? left outer join, right outer join, inner join के natural join. okay inner join. known operation do not preserve non match tuples. non match tuples. okay inner join. okay inner join में हम लोग क्या जो दोनों में कॉमन है दैट रिकॉर्ड्स डिस्प्ले हम लोग करते हैं ना. ओके so answer is inner join. Irshad is correct. Returns the rows when there is at least one match in both tables. okay दोनों में कुछ सेम होना चाहिए. clear? okay okay which of the following makes the transaction permanent in database? which of the following makes the transaction permanent in the database? yes view, commit, rollback or flashback? yes commit. yes very good. commit. okay commit means permanently change. we have transaction life cycle we have seen. okay उसको हम लोगों ने देखा transaction life cycle में. okay domain constraint, functional dependency and referential integrity are special form of assertions. ठीक है ये कंसेप्ट हमको नहीं है. ठीक है ये हम लोगों ने assertions जो है that सिलेबस में कवर नहीं है. ओके तो लीव इट. ठीक है ये भी नहीं है हमको. ओके लीव इट. चलो large objects also is not there in our syllabus. okay तो आज हम लोग इतना रखते हैं. okay in the next lecture we will continue with our topic. okay transactions in PLSQL. okay sorry transaction means functions. okay functions that we will cover in the next lecture. clear students? okay yes B. okay कोई बात नहीं. so now may I end this lecture? may I end this
Yes, ma'am.
lecture? okay चलो bye.